I'm going to make a video today on how to replace the block heater on my Massey Ferguson 175. This has the 3.9 liter Perkins diesel, and if you take a look right here, here is the block heater. I recently picked this tractor up at an auction. It's nice that it has a block heater, but I don't have the proprietary cord for this block heater here. And it's winter time, and I prefer to have a working block heater. So they make two different kinds. They make one that goes in the freeze plug here, and I prefer not to have that kind because I don't trust it. I prefer to have one here with the 3/4 inch pipe thread that threads right into the block right here. So I'll show you what I found. This is what I found online. This Cat's heater, it was like 50 bucks. That's the one. And here's the heater element itself. There we go, take a look at it. So it's got the 3/4 inch pipe thread, a little stub of a heating element there, and then another proprietary cord, which it came with right there. So the tools that you need for this job, I needed pliers to release the petcock to drain down the antifreeze, and then this particular one takes 1 1/8 socket to get on there. That'll take the old one off. And then of course I've got some Teflon tape for on those threads so they don't leak. So that's what I have going on right now. I'm draining the antifreeze out of it, but it's not going too well. I don't know if I got a faulty petcock or what it is down there. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to do this thing on the fly. In other words, take this out and pop the new one in real fast before too much fluid escapes out of there. So I'm going to put this on the tripod and we'll see what happens here. Get that one ready to go. See if we can get this thing out of here. Nice and easy, yeah. Came out pretty easy. And we'll just do some righty-tighty on this. Oop, sorry. seated pretty well. Here's a look at the old element that came out of there. It's got some corrosion on it there. Some flaky garbage. So it's probably due anyhow. And that's the new one. And then to use it, you're just going to line up the prongs, plop it in there, and it has this retaining nut. You're going to leave it on here for any substantial amount of time. Put the nut on there as to not lose the cord. In theory, anyhow. There we go. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to bunch up my cord here so it's not dragging on the ground. It's nice it came with a long cord. I just don't need that much of it right now. Alright, that's about all. I haven't found a lot of videos on the 175, so I thought I'd make my own in case some people had some questions like I did. You don't have to search around all day trying to find the answer. You can just find it quick here. And still have a lot of work to do. My starter cable here is not currently connected to a starter button. So I have that in the house and I need to put a starter button on it. I just picked it up, so I changed the oil using the high flow oil filter that is OEM product. That was 25 bucks. I was kind of surprised on that. Napa was about the only place I could find a nice one for that. And then of course put the oil in there, the oil fill, and that's about all for now. So check back later. I'm going to replace the rear PTO seal on this. It doesn't currently leaks all over like crazy, and that starter button, a few other odds and ends to tidy it up and make a nice little tractor. All right, check back. Thanks for watching.